I am a firm believer that speed and quality can peacefully coexist. It's possible to be fast and have a quality execution, but you have to build the right infrastructure. You have to build it with deliberation, and you have to have a really solid methodology for that. I am really proud that we have the fastest implementation on G2 combined with the fastest ROI. I think that says we can go fast and we can actually achieve results for our customers. And that's because we put the right resources on the account from the beginning. So every one of our enterprise accounts has an account manager who is their strategist, their coach, their cheerleader, their product expert, their trainer, their conduit to all of the resources we have here. We also have technical experts that come alongside that account manager to ensure that you have the right implementation, that you have all of your IT questions are answered, and that we're making strategic decisions on the technical pieces of the implementation. If you are a prospect of HiHello, we are talking about you even before you become a customer, and we're really starting to plan what would success look like for you. And then we come in and we do even more discovery to really get into your specific needs, and that allows us to build the foundation that we can evolve on. We can do that really fast, and we can do that with results because we have this proven methodology. And I'm really proud to say that we have the best ROI in the industry. Account growth is truly my favorite thing to talk about because we see strong expansion and renewal trends directly tied to the foundational program building that we do with our customers. I would say 10 out of 10 times that leads to expansion within their organization. And so when we can work with our customers to build that program to really drive that operational and organizational change within their business, we see tremendous results.